Welcome to the sweet baby world. In this video, we are going to talk about how to spot colic in babies. Consider these signs. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for all our future updates. Colic is an acute abdominal pain which is one of the commonest problems with babies. It is a major topic in all baby books on a bookshelf. Therefore, all newly mothers anticipate at a point their baby is going to have to experience it. Colic normally starts as early as 2 to 3 weeks and reaches its peak when the baby is about 2 months old. In fact, this is the kind of thing that newly delivered mothers will be prepared for even before it occurs, as it is so common. Colic symptoms and number of times happening will slow down by the 4th month till there will be no more episodes. Medical experts cannot and has not been able to find what exactly causes colic. It just happens to babies with no specific reason, although there are a lot of possible causes that may influence or aggravate a colic episode, and they include 1. Lactose intolerance. 2. Allergy to cow milk or powdered milk. 3. Allergic to the foods that the mother takes in and then transferred to the baby through breastfeeding. 4. Increased gas in the intestines, which normally happens by eating foods that usually produce gas in the stomach like broccoli, onion and beans. 5. Strong contractions in the stomach due to underdeveloped digestive system. 6. Baby hormonal changes. 7. Postpartum depression and anxiety of the mother. 8. Overfeeding baby. Very often, the only notable sign that parents will see is baby crying nonstop, which can last from an hour to as long as 5 hours straight. This can be very difficult to take for parents, especially first-time mothers, who are not used to their babies crying for long. For first-time parents, the first episode of colic can be alarming for them, as they do not know why their baby is crying that much. Crying, however, can be the result of other things. And this is why it is important for parents to actually look for, or know the other signs to indicate baby has colic before panicking sets in. Here are some inevitable signs to indicate baby is suffering from colic. Number 1. Gaseous state. Colic occurs when there is gas in the stomach that causes an ache, according to some experts. Towards the end of an episode, babies would normally empty bowels, or pass gas, which relieves them of the problem. Number 2. Predictable crying. This can sometimes occur during the day or at night, often after a meal. Although this will not manifest from the beginning. A baby suffering from colic will have cry continuously at a specific time of the day. These events will repeat at approximately the same time and can last from just few minutes to hours. It can also occur once every week or every day of the week. This actually depends on the baby, and because there is no known cause of colic, parents just have to patiently wait till the event passes. Number 3. Positions of baby's legs and arms. Babies suffering from colic would normally manifest their pain in the way they draw their legs to their abdomens to squeeze them in. They also clench their hands into fists and their abdominal muscles harden. Babies who can't take the pain anymore would thrash around and become very agitated. Their cries and screams get louder and louder, and most often attempting to calm them down yields no results. Number 4. Crying uncontrollably. Crying uncontrollably is one of the main signs that your baby may be suffering from colic. 2 things normally come to a mother's mind when her baby cries that loud, and for a long time, that it's either the baby is hungry or colic. A colicky baby cries loudly, and the cry is intense, as there is no room for a weak or sickly cry. Baby's cheeks will often become red from the exertion, and they will be very difficult to console. Takeaway. Baby crying for hours with no specific reason known to you could also be a sign of something other than colic. In this case, it wouldn't hurt to seek your doctor's advice. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you learned something new from our video, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thank you for watching.